presentation on Sunday morning was about translation, a view from the pharmaceutical industry. And really what I described was how we in industry view a series of steps in clinical development or discovery and development, and how we progress programs from one stage to another. What kind of information is particularly important, like dose, target engagement, and how these questions set us up for success at the successive phase, so not just in the phase that we're in. For some time now, one of the major challenges that we've had in trials in Alzheimer's disease is recruiting the right patients into a clinical trial, because it's only quite recent science that has informed us that the pathology occurs some 20 years before the symptoms occur. And so while we would like to ensure that we have patients who in fact have the disease in our clinical trials, we didn't have the tools to confirm that until the last 5 to 10 years. So that's been a major hurdle for us, but we're starting to see now many more trials are including amyloid PET imaging to ensure pathology, and that's a great advancement, but it's been a challenge for a while. I'm most excited in this space for two things. So for many years we've been talking about failures in Alzheimer's disease, but this particular conference, I was at a session yesterday and we saw, in addition to Biogen's data, two other companies, so Lilly and Roche, present monoclonal antibodies that bind to and reduce amyloid pathology in the brain. And it's just so exciting to get multiple programs repeating that, you know, we now have drugs that are doing what we want them to do in the brain, and that's a key step towards bringing forward promising therapeutics. So I'm excited about that. I'm also excited about biomarkers. There has been a lot of talk about potential new biomarkers, imaging-based, blood-based biomarkers, all things that will make it so much easier for us to investigate how to bring forward new medicines.